Hey everyone, just picking up some computer drugs, as I like to call it. It's not really computer drugs, but anyone who knows thermal paste knows they come in these little syringes and stuff like that. Actually, maybe I can walk over and show you, but I'm actually here at Micro Center, just walking by all this amazing looking hardware here. It's good to see these places are starting to look much more busier than the last time I was actually here. Masks are still required, but that's perfectly fine. Let's see if I can actually get a view of those computer drugs I was talking about. Yeah, there they are. See? Arctic silver. I remember one of my friends on Amazon was going to buy me a little gift, and I told her, oh, you can get this for me. She's like, what is that? It's like computer drugs. She sees an actual syringe, so this made me laugh that she really took it seriously. That's really nice looking reservoir right there. I have not officially got into water cooling yet, but one of these days I probably should. One of my friends who definitely does build computers and has his own YouTube channel, by the way. I'll put his link underneath. You definitely should check it out. Does mess with water cooling, but I believe he has not the do-it-yourself kits like this thing over here. Just probably like something from Corsair or another brand. I have not touched on that myself either, even though I'm definitely going ahead and give it a shot. Look at that. Computer blood, and slime, and shampoo. I could go on and on with the jokes. If I bring somebody to this store one day, I don't come here too often. It is actually a little far away from my residence. But it's a nice place, one of the last remaining all computer stores with a bunch of other stuff. Probably going to be getting one of those mechanical sit-stand desks from this location. I already have my eyes on it. Oh, here we go. These are the water cooling systems I was talking about. So I don't know if he's got Cooler Master or Corsair. Leon Lee makes some too. But as for me, I just need some grizzly drugs. Anyway, everyone, hope everyone's doing okay and staying safe. Do not even bother to ask me if I'm going to even bother to look for a video card, because that is not going to happen. You all know why. Take care.